Rachel. This is my presentation for COM 313, and it's a social media class, and I actually had so much fun. So, we had to choose two different social media platforms, and I actually really thought about this because there are so many to choose from. There's Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Snapchat, so many. And one of the things that I decided was that I've always wanted to create a YouTube channel. So I decided that that would be my main channel, and then Instagram because I wanted to learn more about it. So I ended up choosing those two. And I thought about it for a little while and was trying to decide what topic I wanted it to be on. And eventually I landed on dancing. And I came up with a name called Dancing for Donuts, which I thought was clever and funny. And that's actually what I wanted my channel to mostly be is clever, funny, entertaining. It was all about entertaining for me. So my channel is Dancing for Donuts. And to go along with that, I wanted to kind of have a fun color scheme and a fun logo because I was going to be making dancing videos. And I'm not a dancer, so that's why my target audience kind of fell in the younger range. But I chose these colors because I felt like they were fun, but not too crazy, and they would be perfect for that branding effort. And then this is the person that I designed. Part of the way through the course, I did end up changing my logo just because I ended up hurting myself and I was on crutches, so I couldn't do the same thing that I was doing anymore. So that ended up changing. These are just a few pictures of my channels and some of the posts that I've done on them. These are some statistics that I made or when I did the ads. Same with this one. I found that maybe my audience wasn't as refined as it should be because I wasn't getting as much attention on my site as I wanted. And I think that I could change that by refining my audience, honestly, and making it more about them. So, thanks for watching. Bye.